I'm going to show you how I made this round table. The tabletop is made from 1x6 hickory boards, which are laid out and then clamped together with bar clamps. An awl is placed in the center, and the string is used with a pencil to draw the circle of the round table. To join the boards together, I use my Kreg pocket hole jig. I start by setting it to the thickness of the wood, which is 3/4 of an inch. I then also set a stop collar on the drill bit to 3/4 of an inch. I already measured and marked for the positioning of the pocket holes, so I just align the jig with my mark and then clamp it on. Inch and a quarter pocket hole screws are used to join the boards together. I use a jigsaw to cut the round circle of the table. The seams of the tabletop are sanded smooth with a belt sander. The edge of the table is also sanded. I attached 2 1x2 braces to the bottom of the tabletop using the same 1 1/4 inch screws I used in the pocket holes, one into the center of each board. And then in the center of the table, I placed a block of wood which will be used to mount the tabletop to the pipe frame. The parts that are used for the pipe frame of the table are all 1.5 inch steel pipe. The parts that are needed are 8 4-inch nipples, 3 6-inch nipples, 1 12-inch nipple, 3 T's, 4 elbows, 1 coupler, 1 flange, and 4 1.5 inch to 3/4 inch reducers. Here's what the assembled pipe frame looks like. The pipe frame is painted with spray paint. The pipe flange has been attached to the tabletop with 4 1.25 inch long wood screws. This is the completed round table.